Hi, I am talking about my three workplace capabilities. The first one is problem solving. In my line of work, I want to work with ultimately the Department of Child Services as a social worker. Right now, I am working in a homeless shelter where we do homeless, domestic violence, and recovering addicts. So I can use it in both what I want to do in the future and now. Problem solving skills, I need to have the skills to help solve problems. I need to be able to identify the problem when I first see it. Is this person homeless, domestic violence? What kind of services is this person going to need? What kind of programs would benefit this person? How can I help them get past this and move forward with their lives? Two other ones I would like to talk about is communication and attitude. Communication is key in 99% of the things you do, if not 100% of the things you do. Communication isn't only just talking, it's also listening, it's also watching the reactions on people's faces, the different things that they're doing. In my line of work, when it comes to the recovery and the domestic violence, you have to watch for the lying. Are they being completely and totally honest in this situation? Do they need as much recovery as what they're saying, or are they going to need more because they're actually not telling the full truth? Domestic violence victims often go back to lying and covering up for the person who's being violent towards them. And domestic violence, there's a lot of education out there. It's not just somebody physically touching you and physically harming you. It is more than that. It can be mental. It can be many other things. This person won't let me use the car because they're afraid I'm going to go out and see somebody else. That's a way of controlling you. So it's education and communication with that to let them know that, hey, this is a domestic violence issue and this is not okay. This is not how a relationship should be. Attitude. Attitude, on the other hand, is in everything that I do as well. If I have a nasty attitude in my workplace, that's going to rub off and that's going to make other people have a nasty attitude as well. I need to portray this great attitude and make sure that everybody realizes you don't have to be mean in every situation. You don't have to have this poor attitude. Yes, this poor thing may have happened, but you don't have to let that define the rest of your life. You can change your attitude towards things. Domestic violence victims often start to hate their abuser, but you don't have to have that hate attitude towards that person. You can do many other things with your attitude towards that person or about that person. Your first initial thought is going to be, what this person did to me. I hate what this person did to me. And it could make you mad and sad and so many emotions. But you can come to a place where you are happy and you are okay. And you can see that this person also needs help. That doesn't mean you need to be with them, but this person needs help. You weren't part of that. And your attitude towards the whole situation will change. I enjoyed doing this project. It was awesome. I actually enjoyed schooling and the different things that I've learned through the school. Thank you, Bryan and Stratton College. I am excited for my future.